Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Roblox user ID on your phone, right? So for example, if I just try to open over my app, so to be honest, there is no way where you can find your password directly in your Roblox, but I have some tricks and ways where you can find it, right? So for example, let it load, right? Now you have to just go to your Chrome browser or any of the browser, and here you have to type Roblox, right? And if you just type Roblox, just try to open the website here and click on continue in browser, right? So here it will ask you username and password, and sometimes we save our username and password, right? So it is a Google password manager, you can just find it, and if I just click this, it will automatically log in into my Roblox, right? So here you can see that if I just click on continue in browser, I will be in my Roblox. So this is pretty easy and you can also do it. There is only one way to do it. So I've shown you one way. The another way is just go to your Gmail, right? And by the way, if you're using an iOS, then just try to go to the password manager, right? So here, if I just go and search here, password manager, right? So here, and I will just type here Roblox, and here if I just get into this, and here you can see this is my ID, and if I just click on I icon, this is my Roblox account and I can use it, right? So this is the only two way where you can find your Roblox ID and password if you just forgot it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.